I'm Lonnie Hunt, live in Piedmont, Alabama, and I bought this sawmill back about a year ago, and enjoyed every minute I've had it, and done a lot of work with it, and it's really paid for itself. The main thing to put this sawmill together, doing it yourself, you'll know the sawmill from top to bottom, and that has really helped a lot. My wife, she runs this sawmill about as much as I do. She'll run it a while, then I'll run a while, and she'll stack off. Just about all the lumber I've cut has come off of storm-damaged trees. I hadn't had to cut none down. All of them, people calls me for me to come get them. People brings me stuff all the time, red cedar mostly, for me to cut up. And anything anybody wants to cut with it, I'm gonna do it. I take the sawmill to other places. I like that feature about it because you can pull it about anywhere you want to go. Real simple to get around. I was going to start a little business, a little side business, and it wound up into building a house. I've cut all the siding on my house, all the framework on 2 of the rooms. Practically the whole house has been cut on this sawmill. When I move in my house, it's going to be paid for on account of this sawmill. That's the best thing I ever done.